Hi everyone, I'm Felicia Fox. Welcome to my channel, Food with Felicia Fox. And this is Jonathan, Sleepy Kitty Jonathan. He's joining me for my talks. Today is day 4 of the Carnivore Diet. So I'm going to do 90 days carnivore and 90 days vegan. So today is day 4 of the Carnivore Diet. I'm really lethargic today. It's been building up all week, the feeling of where I just want to sleep or rest all day. I'm feeling that today. Although tonight I'm going to go to yoga. My friend is teaching yoga, so I'm going to do that. And maybe I'll go for a swim before yoga and then sit in the hot tub and just relax because I have a lot of body pain. Yeah, it's not really easing up. In fact, my right foot is very, very sore. I might go to the chiropractor. We'll see. And maybe I'll book a massage appointment as well. Some other symptoms I've been having, a tiny bit of diarrhea, not really, like the last couple of days, but it stopped. I have sand in my eyes. It feels like there's buckets of gravel in my eyes and a film over my eyes, and they feel kind of sticky and goopy. Nice, eh? That's about it. My mood is normal for me, which means maybe average or below average in terms of excitement to live. But I had a really good breakfast snack today. I have a little tiny frying pan because I wasn't very hungry. So I just made a little tiny frying pan. I melted some butter and I cracked an egg in there and broke the yolk. I added a tablespoon of cream and I had prepared ground beef. So I put a little bit of ground beef in that and then I cooked it up. I made sure that it was kind of cooking evenly with the chopsticks, so I just kind of pushed the eggs around a bit, and then I flipped it over. I didn't show you that part. I made a giant mess because I missed the pan. So anyway, it was a really good snack. And then I went to Costco because I ran out of eggs, so I stocked up on eggs. And then I bought some rib steaks and some trout fillets and some goat cheese and butter and heavy cream. That'll tide me over for a good long time. So I'm going to cut the trout up into pieces and freeze them so they're handy. When I got back from Costco, I cut a hunk of trout off and just pan fried it, and it was delicious. I also had leftover steak, but I scarfed that down while the trout was cooking. So I haven't been having very many cravings, actually. I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything, which is good. So that's good. I just hope that the body pain will end soon. I am gonna maybe book in with a chiropractor just to see if that can ease it a bit. Anyway, I'm gonna go swimming and yoga. Talk to you later.